Here's a brand new video for every affiliate marketer who wants to build a long-term sustainable online business, all without taking a lot of time to get into the money. Hi, I'm Cameron Malcolmson and I help regular people learn about online businesses and internet marketing, and I can help you start and launch your own online business as soon as today. So here's what I'm talking about right now. I'm talking about the easiest money today, a $65 billion opportunity called affiliate marketing. Here we're going to take a look at the business model and why affiliate marketing is so awesome. Big one here is there's no simpler and lucrative business model, not Shopify, dropshipping, e-commerce, Amazon, teaching, coaching, masterminds. I've tried all that and there's no simpler or more lucrative business model than affiliate marketing. And here's why. Number one, it's got extremely low startup costs. You can start promoting other people's products all without spending any money out of your pocket. Number two is you don't need to create any product or service, which means that you can save tons of money without fulfilling these products or building this company. Just think about this. You can go and find a company, like a software company that's went and done great things, and you don't even need to build that company, and you can still earn like 40% commissions off the same product that they would promote themselves. You can earn more money than the product creator. You don't need to fulfill any deliveries or provide any customer service or deal with any support whatsoever if you don't want to do that. There's no merchant accounts you need to create, meaning there's no headaches with trying to integrate shopping carts and websites and funnels. That's all done for you. 80% plus of brands have affiliate programs today that you can go out there and start promoting. So you practically can work with most of the brands online that you can see. This is a big one, and it's a very solid, reliable business model. This is a business model that you can depend on to be grown into the future. This is one of my favorite ones, and you can create passive and residual income, and you can truly have unlimited income potential. Even while you're sleeping, you can be making passive and residual sales from the products and companies that you're promoting, which is super awesome. Another great one is that you can create yourself multiple streams of income, and you can get paid and have money coming to you from multiple different companies. So you don't need to just promote one product. You can promote multiple different products all in the same industry if that's what you want to do. Here's a biggie, and it's thousands of products online. There's thousands of products that you can pick and choose from what companies that you want to promote, which is great. And this is an amazing one. There's no inventory. This means that you don't have to pay for inventory, have inventory sitting about in your room, in your garage, wherever it is, and you don't need to pay the shipping costs on anything ever. And this has to be my favorite. You can create yourself a location independent business where you can operate your business online from anywhere in the world, and this will truly give you a lifestyle business where you can create your own schedule, work at the own times that you want to work on, and do the things that you want to do. So what are the big takeaways from today's video? Well, number one is affiliate marketing is one of the simplest business models that you can start online. Honestly, from my experience, I've done crypto, I've done Amazon arbitrage, I've done drop shipping, I've done other different business models, and affiliate marketing is the simplest and most lucrative. Hopefully you can see that too. Number two, you can also see that there's a lot of opportunity online right now with affiliate marketing. I mean, there's thousands of products. You've maybe seen affiliate offers that you can promote yourself. Even some of your favorite brands, you can go out there and start recommending people to go to that brand and get the same experience that you got, and you can earn commissions. And number three, you can make multiple streams of income and get paid immediate and passive sales from multiple different companies online. And number four, big idea here, is that you can be full-time online, working anywhere with an internet connection without having to take a lot of time building all this stuff for yourself. Because when it's affiliate marketing, you don't have to build the shopping cart, you don't have to build the funnel, you don't have to build the product or service. Most of it is done for you. The headaches are removed. And also, if you're sincere about wanting to take this to the next level, I'd suggest you check out the Affiliate Marketing Masterclass at limitlessmoneyhub.com. The link is in the description below, and it makes it easy for you to live and work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection without having to take a lot of time, money or effort to implement your own affiliate marketing business.